All right. So I'm sure many people have considered putting in surveillance cameras, um, considered maybe getting a security system. So I decided to get one of these kits. This is I don't even know, it's ToGuard brand. I got it off of Amazon. It was just over $200. It comes with four of these cameras. It has a um, wireless base here that has a 2 terabyte hard drive for recording the video. I haven't even read through the instructions yet. I just kind of unboxed it a little bit, took some of the stuff out, got one of the cameras out. All the power supplies and everything are here for everything. So the cameras are powered, but they are wireless back to the base if you need them to be. They do have where did I see it? Oh, so on this, you can either use the wireless, or if you had, I believe that's Cat 5, if you had wiring to hook up, let's say you're in a professional building, you could hardwire them in and not have to rely on the wireless. So I'm going to read through the instructions a little bit, and we'll get to work on the installation. I'm hoping it's pretty straightforward. There's a QR code right here on the unit that gives you a link to a video on how to do the installation. So I'm going to read through the book a little bit and play around with it, and we'll see what we come up with. All right, so for the camera assembly on these, all you got to do is screw this guy on here. They included sheetrock anchor screws and regular screws for the sheetrock anchor supports and screws. And then this little Allen wrench that's in here, that's very important not to lose that. That's how you adjust how tight these are. I already had one of them that was really on the loose side. That's how you adjust how tight this adjustment is. So when you hang it on the wall, that it doesn't, fall down on its own weight. But that's all there is to do the prep. There's a plastic guard on the front of here. I'll leave that on there until I get it installed, so I don't get any fingerprints on the lens. Let's go ahead and go get one of these installed. All right, so I am returning this system. Apparently this antenna, when you go to install it on here, there's nothing in the instructions. I looked. When you put it on here, you're supposed to turn the whole thing together. I turned the screw. Well, apparently if you turn the screw, that breaks there's a wire inside. That just breaks it. So I got 2 out of my 4 cameras that won't even work because the antenna doesn't work. So there's a screw. There's a nut right here for turning. If you turn this, you break the antenna. I mean, literally, see? Antenna's broke. There's no wire. Antenna is broke. Oh, what a horrible design. There's nothing in the instructions that says don't turn that. I looked. So I'm returning it. I'm going to buy a different brand. If anybody has a suggestion on what brand to buy, I'd really appreciate it.